What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to Plastidip some wheels. Ever since we put these sweet Kumos on the back, we got to put some bling around that rubber. So
we got the Kumo 285s sitting on 20s. So
yeah, so we're thinking about a specific color, but you're gonna have to stay tuned to see what it is.
Alrighty, let's do this.
Alright guys, so we just made it to Lowe's. We're about to get out and go see what colors they got.
Hopefully they don't get mad at us for recording in here.
Yeah, so
let's go.
Since it's a corporate building and all, we don't want to upset them too bad.
Seriously. Alright, let's do this thing. So, what do you think about this color?
I think it's going to be dope, dude.
Heck yeah.
I think it fits that metallic gray
Yeah.
very well.
I mean, like, not gonna lie, it's almost a little cliche-ish.
It
like,
is. And
but
the fact that we both thought of it at the same time, like, obviously it's probably overdone.
Alright, well, we're only finding this red Plastidip hidden back in the corner right there. But, I mean, I know Lowe's has more.
Yeah. But if not, we've got handy dandy Walmart.
Heck yeah.
Right across the road. So.
Walmart always has our back. I don't trust any other peelable paint.
I don't either.
My brother used it, and it like jacked up his bumper where he did it. Actually, no, this is a spoiler.
No bueno. Alright guys, so Lowe's didn't have any plastic. Actually, they had Plastidip, but they didn't have any color that we needed. So we're going to go head over to Walmart and see what they got. And if not, then we'll do our last resort and go to AutoZone.
Yeah, probably.
Riley's maybe.
So, just a heads up for anybody that cares. Apparently Lowe's only carries black and red Plastidip. So, that's weird. I've seen a lot of videos of people buying different colored Plastidip there. But at least the one out here in Marianna, Florida only carries black and red.
Yeah, we even asked the paint lady, whatever you want to call her. That was all they had, so.
Disappointment.
They didn't have it. They have more options though, so if you need Plastidip, then you have white, black, gray, red.
They've got colors, but they don't have what we need. We're thinking probably that color. We'll see.
Absolutely not. So
I'm thinking that color because it's not my car.
We're going to go to AutoZone and see what they got, I guess.
Third time's the charm.
Yep. All right, guys. So yesterday we had a lot of trouble trying to find that Plastidip. So we went to several different stores and still couldn't find what we needed. So we decided to improvise a little bit. So we're about to wash the car. Gonna get the rims, or I guess the wheels. Yeah, so we're gonna get the wheels all nice and shiny, clean up the car a little bit while we're at it, and we're gonna start the process of the Plastidip.
Yeah, so what we ended up doing is we couldn't find the right Plastidip color that we wanted, so we got a base coat in Plastidip, and then we got a different brand, which we'll show you in a bit, top coat. So we know that the Plastidip's going to come off well whenever we do decide to peel it, and we know that it's going to not damage the wheel surface. So
I just really hope that top coat takes to the Plastidip really well. But like I said, we'll see.
I think it will.
It's a cool color though. But
yeah. Alrighty, let's get to washing this.
All right guys, so I'm just gonna take a dry rag and I'm gonna wipe all this water off, and I'm gonna take some paper towels and some alcohol, and I'm gonna rub it down, make sure it's all clean. The alcohol will evaporate really fast so it won't get in the way. And then we were gonna take these tires off and spray them, but our area where we would normally be working with Hurricane Michael, it kind of got messed up a little bit, so we can't even get out there. So all the tools that we would normally have, we don't have access to right now. So we're just gonna mask this tire off, mask the calipers and brakes, and then we're just gonna attempt to spray it on, just like this. So we'll see how it turns out.
That's good.
Alrighty guys, well, I tried something different on this wheel. It came out a million times better. The last wheel, when we were spraying, we were doing kind of misting coats because we didn't want to get it too heavy and we didn't want it to run. But on this wheel, I actually sprayed about that far away, about 4 to 6 inches away, and well, yeah, about 3 to 4 inches away, and I got it nice and heavy because this Plastidipped, you can spray it pretty heavy and it doesn't run. I was experimenting and found that out, and it came out already. This is the second coat and it is a million times better than the other wheels, the other side. It's okay because it's peelable paint, but man, it is so much smoother, such a better finish. Look how smooth and nice that finish is right there. Incredible.
And the thing, guys, like, this is a learning process for us, and I'm sure you guys will have your own tips and tricks on how to do this. So definitely, you know, drop your comments, tell us what we're doing wrong, what we could do better. We want to grow this channel not only to help ourselves but to help other people get the confidence to do things that, you know, otherwise they wouldn't be able to do, and go from there, dude. Like, this is actually turned out pretty good. We definitely may try to peel that other side off and do it right now that we've figured out how to do it. But yeah, dude, I'm happy about it. Like, it's looking pretty good. Going with the Duplicolor color shifting top coat. Worked really well. I was really happy with it.
Yeah, I loved it. I was a little bit worried about being able to peel it off. That's why I like to use Plastidipped brand only. But using it as a top coat with a Plastidipped base, it actually came out amazing. We messed up a little bit and we had to peel it off, and it peeled off perfectly.
I wish we had thought to, you know, let you guys see what the other side looked like that we messed up on, but
Hindsight's 20/20.
yeah. But like I said, it turned out really smooth. We really liked it. We might do a different color one day, but for now it's gonna stick. But
Yeah. Well, we're gonna keep making lots of videos for you guys. We hope you enjoyed this project. It was just a little one to get things started, but we got a lot more coming in the future. And like, comment, let us know what you think, and subscribe. Let your friends know, and
Will you see you guys?
that was good.
We'll see you guys next time.